This configuration guide is applicable to the following charge point models. Once energised, the charge point will display a yellow light. Download the BG EV Installer app, available on iOS and Android. Select the charger ID for the device you want to commission. The charger ID can be found on the identification stickers. These can be found on the front of the installation manual, inside the charger's enclosure, and one comes inside the box. Next, please enter the password, which is 12345678. This is also available in the installation manual. You are then prompted to change the charger's password. This is recommended. Please ask the charge point owner for a password. It's extremely important this password is recorded and kept safe for future access to the settings. Please select your method of internet connection using one of the 3 toggle switches at the top of the app. Next, select the WiFi SSID drop-down menu. Delete the data in the WiFi SSID box and select the Wi-Fi you would like to connect to. Next, please enter the password. Once the previous step has been completed, then in the server URL, please select Home. For workplace installs, please contact the team for further guidance. The charger's output can be set in the Output Current box. Set the charge mode to App when testing the network setup. Once connected and the unit's online, please select Plug and Charge mode. In the Home Power Current box, put the rating of the property's main supply fuse. Now press Set. The charger will now reset and make an audio beep to indicate the settings have been saved. In a short time, the charger light should turn blue. If not, please repeat the process and refer to the installation guide. To commission our chargers to the EV.Energy app, please scan the QR code in the instruction manual. Please ensure to configure, commission and test the charge point before fitting the enclosure trim. To stay up to date with our product ranges and latest innovations, please subscribe. Until then, thank you and goodbye.